Is it time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we will delve into a comprehensive analysis of Intel. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 3rd of March, 2025, and now we are prepared to offer you an even more detailed examination. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any essential updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by utilizing our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI to receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 11th of February, 2025, our system has categorized Intel as a hold accumulate, resulting in a score of negative 0.41. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Over this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 8.44% since we first suggested purchasing Intel 14 days ago. This equates to an average return of 0.60% per day since it was designated as hold accumulate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a likely continuation of this rise. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 14.71% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 1.12% to 40.98%. In terms of a longer time frame, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of negative 43.95%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between negative 78.25% and negative 34.35% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $4.95 and $14.93. Our latest daily update for Intel includes the headline, High Volatility in Intel Stock Price on Monday, which ended trading at $22.74. The Intel stock price fell by 4.17% on the last day, which was Monday, the 3rd of March, 2025, from $23.73 to $22.74. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 11.12%, with a day low at $22.53 and a day high of $25.04. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 3.64% during this period. Volume has increased on the last day by 37 million shares, although this occurred amid falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, with the risk slightly elevated over the next couple of days. In total, 137 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $3.12 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $46.63, while the lowest price was $18.51. Currently, the price is 51.23%, or $23.89, below the 52-week high, and 67.18%, or $46.55, below the all-time high on the 24th of January, 2020, when the price reached $69.29. Intel's stock experienced significant volatility today, closing down 4.2% after peaking earlier in the session with a gain of 5.5%. This fluctuation reflects broader challenges in the tech sector, but also underscores investor concerns regarding Intel's recent performance and competitive position. Recent developments suggest a potential avenue for recovery. Notably, NVIDIA and Broadcom are conducting manufacturing tests on Intel's advanced 18A process technology. This is a positive indicator for Intel, as successful partnerships could lead to substantial manufacturing contracts, which are crucial for the company as it seeks to regain market strength. These collaborations signal a level of confidence from major players in the semiconductor space, despite Intel's recent struggles. In the medium to long term, the impact of NVIDIA and Broadcom's tests could be transformative, potentially boosting Intel's revenue and market share within the competitive semiconductor landscape. However, Intel's internal divisions are under scrutiny, especially with reports of rival firms exploring potential restructurings that could fragment its operations. This adds a layer of uncertainty around its future. Short-term fluctuations may continue as the market reacts to these developments and external pressures. Investors should keep a close watch on how these partnerships evolve and whether Intel can leverage them into a sustainable competitive edge. Overall, today's news reflects both volatility and a glimmer of potential growth, underscoring the pivotal moments ahead for Intel. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, February 18, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned a neutral grade to Intel Corporation, accompanied by a hold action. On Friday, January 31, 2025, Cowen and Company also rated Intel Corporation with a hold grade and a hold action. On Monday, December 2, 2024, Bernstein reported a market perform grade for Intel Corporation, along with a hold action. On Thursday, October 17, 2024, Goldman Sachs issued a sell grade to Intel Corporation, combined with a hold action. Lastly, on Thursday, October 3, 2024, Wedbush gave Intel Corporation an equal weight grade, paired with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Intel stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as buy. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Intel. The Intel stock currently shows a sell signal based on the short-term moving average. Conversely, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. As the short-term average exceeds the long-term average, this creates an overall buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. If the stock continues to rise, it may encounter resistance at approximately $23.60 from the short-term moving average. If it declines, the stock is likely to find support around $21.60 from the long-term average. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will result in a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which could impact short-term performance. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, February 18, 2025, and since then, the stock has decreased by 16.98%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock more closely. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggested a sell signal 10 days ago. Bollinger revealed a buy signal 12 days ago. The short-term moving average provided a sell signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 15 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 13 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average provided a buy signal 15 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 4 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. Intel finds support from accumulated volume at $22.48. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when support is tested. The stock is likely to experience significant movement throughout the day, displaying high volatility. With a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is regarded as very high risk. In the past day, the stock fluctuated $2.51 between its high and low, which is an 11.12% change. Over the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 6.82%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Intel, let's quickly go over some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or negative earnings. Even established companies can face downturns, often due to factors that are beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profits and an increased risk of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on April 24, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 1,009 of a dollar. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Intel. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intel is at $23.60. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Intel encounters its first support level at $22.48. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Intel from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider transactions were conducted by Zinsner David, who bought and sold 121,955 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 2.140. Overall, insiders acquired 335,826 shares and disposed of 356,697 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $21.64, reflecting a decline of 4.82%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which contributes to a heightened level of risk. Currently, there is a sell signal prompted by a pivot top identified 9 days ago. Is Intel stock a good buy? Intel presents several positive indicators. However, we do not deem these sufficient to categorize it as a buy at this moment. At the current level, it should be viewed as a hold or accumulate candidate while we wait for further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our conclusion for this stock from a buy to a hold or accumulate recommendation since the last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 4th of March, we anticipate Intel will open higher by approximately 70 cents and commence trading at $23.44. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not rely solely on StockInvest.us when making your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.